Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or should I be saying bonjour, bienvenue. My name is Gabrielle. I am here to share some French beauty secrets, and I'm going to be walking you through my entire routine from skincare to makeup, and the products, the techniques, the style is going to be inspired by French and Parisian beauty. I have done some other French inspired beauty secrets on my YouTube channel, and I'll have them linked down below if you're interested in seeing that. So I'm gonna first take care of my hair. I did wash it last night. I just let it air dry, but it's very important to take care of your hair. And it doesn't necessarily mean that you have to style it every day, that it has to be pristinely straight or perfectly curled. It just means taking care of the hair that you have. So one of the French products that I've seen used often and that seems very loved is the Mason Pearson Boar and Nylon Bristle Brush. Now I don't have that particular brush, but I do have a product that is very similar. It's by the brand Crown Affair, and this brush has both boar and nylon bristles, and it helps to kind of massage the scalp, but it also helps to distribute the oils from the root to the ends of your hair. If I ever put my hair up, I've been using this hairpin. This is by the brand Deborah Pagani, and this is the best little hair piece that I've invested in. It is pricey, but it's honestly so incredibly made. It looks so beautiful and elegant in the hair, and it also helps to reduce hair damage, so you're not using those hair ties. So I love this. And then I also have this cute little shower cap that I'll use. I won't wear it like this. I'll tuck all of my hair in, and this is great to use when you're doing a hair treatment oil, a hair mask. For example, this is by the brand Agent Nature, and it is a hair growth serum. So you put it in your scalp, sit in overnight, and I'll apply this over top just to protect my silk pillowcase. Let's start with our skincare routine. The first thing I'm going to do to prep my skin is just cleanse it with a micellar water. This is the Airpress Ginkgo Micellar Water, and this is really good in the morning time just to kind of easily cleanse your face. I always find the French using micellar waters. So I'm just going to cleanse my face. At night I do like an oil cleanser because it helps just to remove makeup. It's really important to take care of your skin, wash your face, don't go to sleep with makeup on. Skincare is one of the most important steps to French beauty just because it's all about enhancing your natural skin, just taking care of what God gave you. It's about having great skin, not perfect skin. I'm also going to have some green juice. Nourishing your skin, your body from the inside out is really important. So some of the things that I've been doing that I've loved lately for my mental health, my physical health, and my skin has been consuming a lot more nutrient-dense ingredients, whole foods. This is an organic green juice by Greenhouse Juicery. So once I've cleansed my skin, I'm going to really hydrate. This Dr. Barbara Sturm Hyaluronic Serum. Just be gentle with your skin. I'm next going to apply this Dr. Barbara Sturm Anti-Pollution Drops. This is a fantastic product that helps to protect your skin against environmental factors as well as blue light that's emitted from your computers and cell phones. And we do that so much these days that it's really important to kind of boost your skin's protection because that can be quite aging and damaging to the skin. I can tell that my skin's extra dry this morning, so I'm going to be applying a facial oil. This is the Vintner's Daughter Active Botanical Serum, and it's just absolutely wonderful. It's so hydrating, it smells so good. Investing in your skin is so important. It's definitely a philosophy that the French women stand by. Of course, there's also the French pharmacy, and these tend to be a little bit more affordable options. I don't have the luxury of attending a French pharmacy, but I cannot wait to travel to Paris to pick some products up from the French pharmacy. But you don't need to purchase expensive products, but knowing your own skin and purchasing products that you know are going to be effective, that your skin is going to love you for, that is totally worth it in my opinion. I'm gonna finish off with a moisturizer. I'm using the Dr. Barbara Sturm Face Cream Rich. This just really hydrates my skin. And you really don't want to forget your neck and décolleté. I'm currently wearing a sweater because it's a little chilly, but it's always important to bring down your moisturizer, your sunscreen, down your neck and décolleté. And I'm also gonna just condition my eyebrows and my eyelashes. This is the Agent Nocha Lash and Brow Serum. And the most important step is sunscreen or sunblock. It just helps to protect your skin against the sun. The sun's aging from the UVA rays, burning, which can damage the skin barrier, and of course skin cancer. Another French beauty tip that I've learned that I find is really important that sometimes we neglect is the maintenance of our hands and our nails. I've actually just recently been using this cuticle oil, and this one is in the scent Olivine. It's sweet vanilla, amber, and hints of sandalwood. And I just kind of apply that right to my cuticle, and I just massage it into my cuticles. I currently have not the most French approved manicure. These are the glazed donut Hailey Bieber nails, along with maintaining your hands. I love a good hand cream. This is the Necessaire hand cream, and it is fragrance free. It's so luxurious, and I love this. So we're going to go in with our makeup now. I'm going to be applying my foundation, and French beauty is really all about kind of enhancing your skin and not fully covering it. So I like to go in with the Westman Atelier Vital Skin Foundation with the Westman Atelier foundation brush, and I kind of just spot correct, and I just focus it where I need it. So a little bit around my eyes where I have some discoloration, and around my mouth and my nose. But I really focused on my skincare earlier, and focusing on your skincare kind of helps to minimize the amount of makeup products you need to apply. And I just do a really light amount of product. And just be gentle with your skin. I'm gonna apply the tiniest bit of bronzer just to warm up my complexion. I'm using the Kjaer Weis powder bronzer. I'm gonna take a big fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna do the lightest amount. I don't find the French often wearing a ton of bronzer or contour. Their skin always looks super fresh and natural. So I'm gonna be just grooming my brows a bit. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel. And I'm just going to kind of stroke up my brows. And this stuff is great. It really keeps your brow hairs in place. For my eyes, I'm just gonna help kind of brighten them up. I'm using the Kjaer Weis. This is an eyeshadow. It's kind of like a bronzy, coppery color. And I'm just going to add that to my eyelids. And this is a cream product. I love cream products because they just look so fresh and natural. I'm gonna use an eyeshadow. This is by Westman Atelier, and this is in the color Bonne Chance. Just gonna swirl an eyeshadow brush in there, and I'm just gonna kind of softly smudge that into the lash line. I'm gonna use this palette, the lip suede palette called Les Bordeaux by Westman Atelier, and I absolutely love this palette. It's so gorgeous. And I just kind of apply probably a mix of this bright red and this Bordeaux color. So I first just apply it using the lip brush, and then I take my finger and just smudge that out for a stained look. I'm gonna apply a bit of mascara, and I just do a light coat and just kind of wiggle that into my lashes. Alrighty, so let's take this off and zhuzh up my hair. I'm gonna apply a hair serum oil. This smells so incredible. Just take my hairbrush. I'm next gonna apply my fragrance. This is a quintessential French tip, is to find your signature scent, and my favorite is Chanel. I have the Chanel Gabrielle, which is definitely my signature scent. My name is Gabrielle, so it feels very me. Some of the other favorite scents that I have from Chanel are, of course, Chanel No. 5. That it was actually my wedding fragrance It was the Coco Noir, and I got my wedding date and my husband's last name. There is my Parisian French beauty routine. I hope you enjoyed watching me get ready. If you have any questions or comments or requests, please leave them down in the comment section below. Au revoir!